Good morning, children. Today we start geography subject. In that we have finished chapter 4 explanation in standard 7. Standard 7. Today we start the exercise of chapter 4 air. Write down in the notebook exercises. With the page 27. First we start question answer. Write down chapter 4. What is the name of the chapter? Air. A-I-R. Air. Write down exercises. In that first question answer. Question 1. What is atmosphere? What is atmosphere? Now tell me. Answer. What is atmosphere? The definition of atmosphere. First write down the atmosphere is a thin blanket of air. Answer 1. Atmosphere is a thin blanket of air that surrounds thin blanket of air that surrounds the earth. That surrounds the earth. That surrounds the earth. It protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. It consists of several gases. It consists of several gases in which nitrogen and oxygen occupy the major portion. In which nitrogen and oxygen occupies the major portion. Now again I repeat the answer. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a thin blanket of air that surrounds the earth. Full stop. It protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. It consists of several gases in which nitrogen and oxygen occupy the major ocean. Now write down answer 2. Now first read the question 2. Which two gases make the bulk of the atmosphere? Now in the first question we already write down the nitrogen and oxygen are in the bulk. Again here which two gases? Same. In place of which you write down nitrogen and oxygen. Now copy the question from the textbook. Which two gases make the bulk of the atmosphere? Answer 2. Nitrogen, in the bracket write down 78%, and oxygen 21%. Make the bulk of the atmosphere. Make the bulk of the atmosphere. Question 3. Which gas creates greenhouse effect in the atmosphere? Now tell me answer. Which gas creates greenhouse effect? Obviously carbon dioxide. Which gas? Write down question from the textbook. Which gas creates greenhouse effect in the atmosphere? In the atmosphere. Answer. Carbon dioxide creates greenhouse effect in the atmosphere. So carbon dioxide creates greenhouse effect in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide creates greenhouse effect in the atmosphere. Question 4. Name 3 types of rainfall. Name. Now question 4. What is weather? What is weather? Write down. What is weather? Answer 4. Weather is hour to hour, day to day condition of the atmosphere. Weather is hour to hour, comma, day to day condition of the atmosphere. Weather is hour to hour, day to day condition of the atmosphere. Next question. Name 3 types of rainfall. Name 3 types of rainfall. Name 3 types of rainfall. This answer you give me. Conventional rainfall, orographic rainfall, and cyclonic rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall. So these are the three types of rainfall: conventional rainfall, orographic rainfall, and cyclonic rainfall. Now next question, what is air pressure? Last question 6, what is air pressure? Question 6, what is air pressure? Put question mark after finishing question. What is air pressure? The pressure exerted by the weight of air. The pressure exerted by the weight of air on the Earth's surface is known as air pressure. The pressure exerted by the weight of air on the Earth's surface is known as air pressure. Again, the pressure exerted by the weight of air on the Earth's surface is known as air pressure. Now, our question answer finished. You have to write down one time in your notebook and same one time as a homework in rough book. Thank you very much.